which is known for its singing underwater? Whale. Which animal has the largest heart relative to its body size? Great white shark. Which fish can regenerate its heart? Zebrafish. What do you call a baby kangaroo? Joey. Which bird is the heaviest flying bird? Great bustard. Which animal is known for its large ears and excellent hearing? Elephant. Which animal has the thickest fur? Sea otter. Which animal is known for its large tusks? Elephant. Comment how many you got right, like, and subscribe to not miss new videos.